Always you do this, yaar.
Man, I'm not doing this on purpose. We were ready to go. We were going. Now that the urgent meeting has come, then what should I do?
So cancel that.
Cancel it? I'll get a profit of crores of rupees from this meeting.
Wow. Money, money. Day and night you see money only. You have nothing except money in your life, na?
What do you want? I should leave everything and sit at home and follow you?
But you are not alone who is working. In this world, there are many people who are doing business. And before marriage, you were not like this.
Yes, I wasn't. And that's why I didn't even have money. And you are living this lifestyle today? You only because I work day and night.
So I didn't ask from you all this. You wanted all this. Big car, big home, luxury lifestyle. You wanted to become like your friends, huh?
So what's wrong in this, man? Who doesn't want to be rich? Everyone wants to be rich.
Sanju, nothing happens with money. You should also have someone to spend them.
So what's the big deal in spending money, man? And you're with me, right?
Do you think we are together? Before marriage, we used to travel, we used to go for movies, shopping. We were spending so much time.
Ria, man, don't overreact, please. Okay, listen to me this time. I'll never cancel the plan from now on.
You have said this so many times, and now I don't trust you. And also, I don't want to live with you.
What do you mean?
I mean that I don't want to live with you. I need divorce from you.
You will divorce me?
Yes, because you love only money, na? So go and earn money and go and find that girl who only loves money.
Yeah, have you lost your mind or what? Have you gone mad or what? Hello? Hello? Man, you do one thing. You reschedule the meeting. I'm leaving in some time. Okay. This is Mr. Wadhwa, owner of Wadhwa Group, but why is he sitting here and who is he talking to? I'll be there in a minute.
Where are you going? You have your meeting, na? You have your limits, yaar.
Hello, sir. 1 minute. I'm coming. Yes. Sir, you are the owner of Wadhwa Group, right? Sir, you are my role model. I want to become a businessman like you. No. Now I am not a businessman. Now my son handles all that business. And I have nothing to do with that business. So if you have come to talk to me about business, then I'm sorry. I can't help you in any way. No, sir. I have not come to talk about business or something. I saw you sitting here and you are talking to someone alone. So who are you talking to? That I was talking to my wife. She likes to come here. So we often spend time here. But there is no one here, sir. Oh. Yes, she is not in this world. She left me. It's been 10 years. While waiting for me, she just left waiting for me. While waiting for you, didn't you go with her? No, I was with her, but I was not available for her. I put everything I had to make this company number one. There was a time when I had nothing. I was wandering around for a simple job. Then my wife Shanti told me to start a small business. And she gave me money mortgaging her jewelry. Today that small business is such a big company. Yes, sir. I have read your biography and I want to be as successful as you. No, son. Don't ever make the mistake of becoming like me. Why do you say that, sir? You are the owner of such a big company. No doubt, I am the owner of such a big company today. But I don't have anyone. Despite having so much money, I am completely alone. In those days, I didn't think of anything other than this company. I gave all my time and earned a lot of money from this company. While my wife didn't need my money, but she needed my time. She used to tell me often that whatever we have is enough. She wanted my support. She wanted my time. But I gave her everything except my time. Today my son is also in the same blind race. He wants to take this company to the international level, because of which neither does he have time for me, nor for his own family. And the amazing thing is that by the time he gets to know about this, it will be too late. I just go to those places alone where my wife wanted to go with me. I feel that she is always with me. I go with her. I talk to her. I roam with her. And I think that maybe she is liking it. Sir, whatever you said, whatever your experience is, I have learned a lot from it. And thank you so much for that. There's no need to say thank you. Just remember one thing. Whatever you have, be happy with it. Because no matter how much money we earn, it never feels too much. It always feels less. So whatever you have, be happy with it. One more thing, son. The happiness that you get by sitting with your loved ones in a small place to eat, you won't get it by sitting alone in a 5-star hotel. You are absolutely right, sir. Okay, sir. Bye, sir. I'm leaving. Bye.
Who was he? And now you're not late for your meeting.
Late? I cancelled the meeting.
Really? But why? You had your so much important meeting?
For me, only you are important now. Nothing else. Now I'll take care of you. I'll give you time and I love you and I'll do all the shopping, movies, I'll do everything. You won't divorce me now, right?
I was saying that just to make you scared. Do you really think I can live without you?
No. Let's go to the movie. We'll get late.